Well, good morning and welcome along to another edition of Watching the Sunrise. Nope, you're tuned to Adventures with Otis, but we're here in Lytham St Annes, enjoying the beautiful sunrise coming up over this gorgeous stone bridge. And here's the star of the show, wee Otis. Otis, should we go for a little walk? We'll start this side and walk underneath because it is absolutely gorgeous here. Otis, come on boy, this way. You've got this sort of lake type, almost like a boating lake, but not, with a beautiful fairy castle type bridge and this little walkway that runs around the pond. And Otis has just got his stick. It's a feeble stick, but it's a stick. Otis, let's have a look. You've dropped it. Okay, it'll do. It's a stick. No, this way. We'll go to the beach afterwards. That's a good boy. This is quite pretty. Absolutely. All with ducks as well, look. Beautiful little ducks. Lovely pair of mallards. And a little, I forgot what they're called. Yeah, those little birds that appear everywhere when there's water. You're chewing that stick already? Come on then, Otis. You've got two sticks now. This way, under the bridge. This way. Absolutely beautiful. What do you think, Otis? No, we're not going to go with the stepping stones. This way. No, slow down, Otis. Stick to the path. It's a good boy. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Some white ducks. Some other coloured ducks. Some black and white ducks. And some pigeons. We're just a little bit perplexed with all the noises. Should we go for a walk around the waterfall? Hey Otis, where's your lead? You've lost part of your lead. Wait, let's do your lead. Come on. Otis, wait. I'm sure I heard it back there. Oh, there it is. That's okay. I'll put that in my pocket then. That was very sandy and horrible anyway. Things will happen when you make a live recording. Okay, young man. Let's continue. So we can hear the water running now with this waterfall. And by the looks of it, you can walk around and under it. I wonder how this is going to take to that. It's a good boy. Otis, round the path. Otis, this way. It's a good boy. He's shying away from it. Come on. Otis, this way. That's a good boy. Let's see what Otis thinks of this. I come in with you. He's a little bit shy. Oh wow, absolutely amazing. Beautiful. Don't find Otis. Did you not like that? Come on. Come and get used to it. Otis. Good boy. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Well done, Lytham St Annes. You've got some great little walks around your town. And Otis is looking forward to the next part of the walk, which will be on the beach. There's the little duck. Although it's a little bit quieter around here. Are you enjoying your walk, Otis? I know it's a little bit early on to say, but please click on the like button if you're enjoying the videos. And please click on that subscription bell. It doesn't cost you anything, just a little click. And of course, if you're enjoying it that much, you want to be notified, click on the notification bell. And here we are, the other side of the bridge. And here's wee Otis. Hi, Otis, what do you think of it? Do you like Lytham St Annes? Otis? Okay, this way, come on. Sunrise over the little duck pond at Lytham St Annes. You'll get very energetic jumping up there, young man. Come on, this way. Let's see if we can get you a good run on the beach. Would you like that? Yes? Come on then. Which is the best route? I wonder if I can go alongside the Toby Carvery to get there. No, we'll walk this way because I can see other people taking their dogs down to the beach this way. Catch the pigeon. Oh, okay. 1 minute, it's poo bag time. Oh, you didn't do anything. Were you doing a lady wee? Were you? Thought he was having a poop, but he wasn't. He was having a sit down wee. Oh, and there's a notice board here. Now I don't know how we pronounce the council here. Is it filed or filled? I'm guessing it's filed. And on the notice board it states that Filed is putting together a project which starts autumn 2023, which includes building a new sea wall, and it'll be completed by early 2025. We got something there to look forward to. What are you digging up, young man? Oh, you're having a wee. Another one. A good boy. Come on then, this way. No, leave it. Oh. He's been a right womble this morning. He's picking up things and no, leave it. This way. Come. Come on, this way, Otis. Otis. Oh. Are you going to put it in the bin? Is that the plan? Otis, this way. Good boy. certainly not touching it. It's a face mask. It's next to the bin now, which is better. Okay, here we are, this expanse of beach. Absolutely. And Otis isn't waiting for me, he is off like a rocket. Hello, Otis. He's loving it. Otis! Otis, this way! Come on! Let's have a look, see how long it takes him to come back up and join me. Otis! Come on! No, leave it, it's rubbish. Otis, leave it! Otis, come around. He's picked up a crab again. I don't know what it is about Otis and crabs. Otie Bumble! This way, come on. This way. No, don't run up the bank. I'm coming down to you. We'll go for a run on the beach. Because we can. So at Lytham St Annes, there we are, it's better you found a stick. At Lytham St Annes, this part of the beach, dogs are welcome. But the pier end of there's a beach, they're not. I didn't bring your ball with me. We'll have a game of ball later, but for now, should we throw a stick? This one will do nicely. Oh, Otis! Yay, great boy. Come on then. Fetch it over. Come on. Oh, he prefers the other stick. He doesn't know which stick to get now. Good boy. Oh, the expanse of beach is amazing. And the poor pier just looks dwarfed by the beach area. Oh, and the sun is getting a little bit higher in the sky. All looking good. Here's the man. What do you think of the beach, Otis? Are you loving it? Come on then. Bring your stick. Good boy. As I said earlier, it's a very, very chilly morning. And my fingers are actually getting quite numb. You can go run, run, run. You're zooming around me instead. Okay. You're going to give me the stick? Is that a no? I'll throw it for you. Otis. You've just been a mad puppy at the moment. Oh, it's fun to watch. It really is. It really is fun. Good boy. What a good boy you are. Oh, come on. Keep coming. Well, the poor lifeboat people, when they get a call out, they've certainly got a long way to tow their lifeboat, because I can't even see the sea. It just goes out and out and out, this beach. It's a bit damp out there, but it's certainly not deep enough to paddle in, let alone place a boat. Come on then, Otis, this way. Hey, Otis, where's your stick? Ooh. I've got the stick. That's a good boy. This way. There's lots of tyre tracks around here. I'm guessing it's from the lifeboat station where they've been drilling and practicing the driving and stuff, maybe. Well, what a lovely place to stop off overnight on the way up to Scotland. Absolutely gorgeous. If you're driving up from the south coast and you're heading up to the north coast, I recommend staying at Lytham St Annes. It's a good halfway point. And you can park for free. If you've got a motorhome with facilities, you know, where you can stay overnight, then you can park up for free along the promenade. Or as I pointed out on a previous video, you can park it for £5 a night alongside the Toby Carvery. Now that's the Toby Carvery. You'll see some campers there. And at the end you'll see the RLI building. And that leads on down to the fabulous pier at Lytham St Annes. Oh, you've exchanged your stick for a fir cone. Nope, he's got his stick back. Oh, good boy. You having fun? Come on, let's get walking. Otherwise I'll be waiting around here watching you having fun. A clever boy. Ah, sit. Sit. Otis. No, sit. That's a good boy. There we go. I would shout fetch, but I know damn well that he won't intentionally bring it back for me. He likes to safeguard his sticks that he has thrown. Come on, Otis. This way. Okay, let's walk over towards the RLI building, because this is the farthest extent of the beach that we're allowed to walk on as dog owners. Come on, Otis. Mr. Thunderbolt in action. Oh, he's exchanging his stick for a larger stick. Third exchange today. Come on then, bring it with you. No, Otis, stop. You can't go further than that point. This way. You have to stay this side. That's correct. You bring your stick though. Come on. You could exchange it for that stick. That's a log, Otis. Now that is really showing off. Is that the fourth exchange today? Come on then, bring your stick. Otis! Have you lost interest in your stick? Come on. Bring your stick. Where's your stick? You're not going for the large one? Okay. Just carefully wander over to the dog sign to show you. Of where you can and cannot walk your dog on the beach. And because this is a public space protection order area, there's no barbecuing and no outdoor cooking. And there's the sign. To the left, dogs are allowed off lead, which is great. And dogs are excluded from this area from Good Friday to the 30th of September to the right. Come on, Otis! Are you waiting for me to come back there with a stick? He is too busy enjoying the sand. Do you want to walk back along the sand? But I want to show people a little bit up the top here on the promenade. Come on. Come on, Otis. Otis, this way. Good boy. And we walked around here yesterday. But, right. Right, just pick this sandy lead up, Otis. Good boy, waiting. Because there's a specific sign here saying that protected wildlife species, please keep dogs on lead in this area. We will. Let's take a little stroll this way, Otis. You're still full of beans. You left your stick behind. Did you not want it? No. We'll go and fetch it later, is it? We'll fetch it later. Oh, this is the other dog pond. The other duck pond, which is missing one vital ingredient. It's called ducks. We might just catch the sun reflecting off the pond there, though. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful morning, isn't it, Otis? Wait there. You've wrapped the lead around your neck. There we go. Or rather, combination of us both doing it. We've both wrapped it around your neck. Good boy. Looks like a lovely fish and chip place. A little bit early yet though, at 5:30 in the morning. Oh, my fingers are starting to warm up just a little bit now. Oops, we going for Otis. Let's see, I absolutely thoroughly enjoy walking along this promenade. It is absolutely beautiful. I think that's a Georgian style pier. Maybe Victorian, but it looks a bit Georgian. And if there may be an information board, we'll have to have a look. Slow down, young man. This way. Okay, this is an interesting sign. So dogs must be put on a lead when directed by an authorised officer. It doesn't state that dogs must be kept upon the lead when he's not allowed on the beach. That's new. No, you're not allowed down there, Otis, I'm afraid. I'll keep you on the lead though, because there are a lot of other locals around with the dogs on the lead. Good boy, come on. Looks like there's a Cocker Spaniel. Morning! This way, Otis. Good boy. Hey. That's a good boy. So here's the pier. In full grandness. That's a new word, isn't it? I could document that one. I'm not sure that you can just walk on the pier though. I believe it's a pay entry. Let's have a look at the town map. You can actually purchase town maps as well. I didn't notice that on the other the board. Rather, I did notice it, but I didn't register it. Fantastic. Okay, let's have a little wander around the front of the pier. There's a grand building, isn't it? Wait, I say grand, not as in large, but grand as in lovely. Unfortunately, no dogs allowed on the pier. But we'll take a little look through the window. Looks more like just an amusement arcade. Leading down. Yes, they make you walk through the amusement arcade first. To spend all your pennies. Here's the kiosk for milkshakes, donuts and cold drinks. And here's the Pier Cafe. It welcomes you, but it doesn't welcome your dog. It welcomes you once, and it doesn't welcome your dog twice. Oh, it's the old style. Wow, entrance style. This must have been the little ticket collecting house. And you can park here all day for £5.50. Although, I think I'd rather park on the main esplanade. What do you think, Otis? Yes. Come on then, let's have a little walk a bit farther on. And heading northwards along here, we have St Annes Pier North. And once again, dogs must be put on lead when directed by an authorised officer. And looking past this point, this is the North Promenade. There's not a great deal there, Otis. So we'll start to head back. Maybe we'll head back towards the bandstand and sign off there for the day. What do you think? Come on then, this way. Nope, you can't go to the beach, I'm sorry. Not this side. Some lovely little seating areas. Undercover. Just walking around, checking out the local dog walkers and their dogs. He's a funny dog. He sees the dogs, he'll run over, have a little play with them, but then he wants to jump up and say hi to the dog, the dog owners, the dog keepers, the pet adoptees. He's a very friendly dog indeed. He is getting better though, he doesn't jump up so often now. Oh wow, the bandstand has got water around it as well. It's definitely a watery world, isn't it? And this looks a bit like, it's a paddling pool. That's beautiful, absolutely. Absolutely is. Well, we'll walk around this side. And we'll have a look at the Promenade Gardens. And then we'll sign off for this morning. Always takes me back to my childhood when I see bandstands. I think of the children's programme, which at the time was called Campbellwick Green. And Windy Miller, who run the windmill. And there is a windmill here, farther on down the coast. Let's have a look at the Jubilee Carnival information board. Wow, so 11 AM, there's dog competitions on Sunday. That's a shame we won't be here for that. We'll be looking out on the YouTube channels though to see what other people have put up. That would be fantastic. This way, Otis. You can't go in there. Nope, it is a paddling pool, but not for doggies. There we go. Right, I'll let you off your lead around here because it's nice and secluded. Otis, this way, this way. So here we are. This is a monument to commemorate the 27 brave lifeboat men who lost their lives in December of 1886 in what was the worst disaster to befall the lifeboat service. Lost their lives while bravely attempting to save the lives of 12 strangers, the crew of a German sailing vessel, Mexico, wrecked on the south side of the Ribble estuary opposite this spot. The face of the statue above is William Johnson, the drowned coxswain of the St Annes lifeboat. Here he is. Well done, young man. Well done indeed. Here's Otis having a little dig. Have you found a stick in there? Have you? Okay. Let's take a little picture of the gardens to be. So this is the formal gardens. So the Promenade Gardens are divided into compartments which have different landscape characteristics. A circular bed, there's a grade 2 listed shelter, which is this one here. We'll just have a little look. Otis, off the flower bed. Good boy. What I didn't check was whether, what era that shelter was. Might give me an insight to the era of the I don't believe it says. It doesn't say. But it's a grade 2 listed shelter, and again it looks sort of Georgian or Victorian. Looking at the ironwork, maybe more Georgian. I don't know, maybe. Otis, this way, away from the road. Let's have a look inside. There's somebody having a little sleep. Come on, Otis, this way. Oh, at least they got shelters for the homeless. This way, Otis. Come on, Otis. We'll follow this way, Otis, down to the waterfall. Keep calling it a waterfall. Down to the fountain. And I think we'll sign off for the morning at the fountain. If you're enjoying the video, please click the like button, and if you'd like to subscribe, please click on the subscription button, and there's always the notification bell if you'd like to be updated on future videos. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the little morning walk around Lytham St Annes Promenade. I should say South Promenade, because we only covered about 20 feet of the Northern Promenade. But this is the Feast de la Resistance, is it? Something like that. Yeah. Beautiful waterfall from the fountain. Absolutely. Okay, Otis, let's come here and sit. We're going to wind up for the day, okay? So, cheerio from us. Catch you in the next vlog. Bye.